Hey guys, it's Ed. Guess what I'm doing today? You know how I already saved the neighborhood squirrels? Well, I have a new pet. His name is Turdy the Turtle. Want to see him? Hold on. Turdy the Turtle. He's not a real turtle though. I just like thinking he's a real turtle. Yeah, I'm gonna cook him today. Want to see it? Okay. Okay. Let's and bring Turdy to the barbecue. Where's my sister?
I have a pet turtle. He's real.
Okay, put Turdy down.
Don't put Turdy on the
barbecue. Okay, Turdy the turtle goes in the barbecue. Sorry, Turdy, but bye, Turdy.
I think he's ready. He's ready.
Okay.
Wow,
all cooked. Oh, it's so good.
Don't eat my pet frog in my
turtle. Yeah. Oh. That's his lungs. I ate them. Okay.
Already split.
Okay, so let's get back to the topic. I already ate my turtle. He was really good. Turns out he was having babies, so there are babies in my mouth. Yeah, so that fat guy was George Bush, and I already did the Michael Jackson, Britney Spears, and my sister. So, yeah, the new person, Rebecca, I already said that he's weird, or she. Oh, I burped. Yeah, so I was kind of scared, because he was eating my rake, and I was using